Are you? What are you doing here?
I'm Abby Champion and we're at the Marc Jacobs Shameless dinner.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to ask you 10 really quick questions.
Okay.
Answer from the gut. Okay, what's your getting ready to go out routine?
Routine, I just throw on some mascara, eyeliner, a little blush, and I'm ready to go.
Wow. When you're knackered, which means tired in English normal, is what's your quick makeup fix-it regime? Like, what do you do?
I do the under eye like patches. I put them on
what's
always
that?
before
What's
shows.
that?
They're like hydrating and they make you look funny and you can take like selfies. It's really fun.
Oh my god, that sounds good. That
love
sounds
it.
good. So, eye or mouth?
Eye. Definitely.
Smoky or a line?
I like a little light with a big eyeline and then lots of mascara.
Amazing. Okay. What's your favourite getting ready to song?
The Champion by Carrie Underwood.
Please,
it's my last
can you
name.
sing it? Can you just sing some of it?
I can sing it, okay.
Ah!
It goes, I'll be the last one standing, 2 hands in the air, I'm a champion.
Oh god, I love it!
I love it because it's my last name. And
Isn't
like,
it good? And you're like getting yourself all riled up.
Yeah.
That's good. Who's your makeup inspiration?
my makeup inspiration is Hung. He did my makeup once before and it was amazing.
Oh wow.
I
I'm
know.
going to look him up. I'm going to find it. More is more or less is best?
More is more.
Biggest makeup disaster?
Biggest makeup disaster? Probably wearing red lipstick and then not bringing it with you and it coming off and having half on and it
Like
looking
cakey
Yeah.
mouth?
No,
What?
not works.
Not good, not good. If you could be anyone, who would you be?
If I could be anyone, I'd be my dad.
Your
He's
dad?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
He's
I
like
love
the
that.
best person. He's so nice and he's
Oh,
the best.
I like that. I like that. Right, what would your superpower be if you could have any? If you could do anything?
I'd be invisible.
I like that. So you could do what exactly?
So I could see how everyone acts when other people aren't in the room. I've always wanted to know, like, what are they doing behind those closed doors?
FOMO, FOMO.
I just wanna
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Bye.